The United States Air Force and Navy operate the most advanced military aircraft ever built. These machines are not just planes, they are symbols of technological dominance, global reach, and air superiority. From stealth fighters to strategic bombers, from surveillance aircraft to deadly drones, America controls the skies with unmatched precision. In this documentary, we will explore 30 of the most important American military aircraft, one by one, in chronological and operational order. F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor is the world's first fifth-generation air superiority fighter. Designed for stealth, speed, agility, and situational awareness, it can detect, track, and destroy enemy aircraft before being seen. With super cruise capability and advanced radar systems, the F-22 dominates the sky without needing afterburners. It is considered the most powerful fighter jet ever built. F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 Lightning II is a multi-role stealth fighter designed for air combat, ground attack, and intelligence missions. Its advanced sensors fuse battlefield data in real time, giving pilots unmatched awareness. The F-35 is the backbone of modern American and Allied air power. F-15 Eagle. The F-15 Eagle was designed for air superiority and has an unmatched combat record. It has never been defeated in aerial combat. With powerful engines and heavy weapon capacity, the F-15 remains lethal even decades after its introduction. F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-16 is a lightweight, highly maneuverable fighter. Known for its agility and reliability, it serves as a multi-role aircraft capable of air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. F/A-18 Hornet. The F/A-18 Hornet operates from aircraft carriers. It performs fighter escort, fleet air defense, ground attack, and reconnaissance missions. Its versatility makes it essential for naval aviation. F/A-18 Super Hornet. An upgraded version of the Hornet, the Super Hornet has greater range, payload, and advanced avionics. It is the backbone of modern American and Allied air power. A-10 Thunderbolt II. The A-10, also known as the Warthog, is built for close air support. Its powerful cannon and heavy armor allow it to protect ground troops even under intense fire. B-2 Spirit. The B-2 Spirit is a strategic bomber capable of penetrating the most advanced air defenses. It can deliver both conventional and nuclear weapons anywhere in the world. B-1B Lancer. The B-1B Lancer is a supersonic bomber designed for long-range precision strikes. Its speed and payload make it ideal for rapid global missions. B-52 Stratofortress. The B-52 has served for over half a century. Despite its age, upgrades keep it relevant as a long-range bomber and missile carrier. F-14 Tomcat. The F-14 Tomcat was a naval interceptor famous for its variable sweep wings and long-range missiles. It protected carrier fleets during the Cold War. SR-71 Blackbird. The SR-71 is the fastest jet aircraft ever built. Flying at extreme altitudes and speeds, it gathered intelligence while remaining untouchable. U-2 Dragon Lady. The U-2 is a high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft used for intelligence gathering. Its missions remain highly classified. C-130 Hercules. The C-130 is a tactical transport aircraft used for cargo, troops, and humanitarian missions. It can operate from short and rough runways. C-17 Globemaster III. The C-17 provides strategic airlift capability. It transports troops, tanks, and supplies across continents. C-5 Galaxy. The C-5 Galaxy is one of the largest aircraft ever built. It carries oversized military equipment across the globe. KC-135 Stratotanker. The KC-135 refuels aircraft mid-air, extending mission duration and global reach. KC-46 Pegasus. The KC-46 is a modern aerial refueling aircraft with advanced defensive systems. E-3 Sentry, AWACS. The E-3 Sentry provides airborne early warning and command control. It acts as the eyes of the battlefield. E-2 Hawkeye. The E-2 Hawkeye performs radar surveillance from aircraft carriers. P-8 Poseidon. The P-8 Poseidon is used for maritime patrol and submarine hunting. MQ-9 Reaper. The MQ-9 Reaper is an unmanned combat drone capable of long-endurance missions. MQ-1 Predator. The Predator pioneered modern drone warfare and surveillance. AC-130 Spectre. The AC-130 is a heavily armed gunship providing close air support at night. T-38 Talon. The T-38 is a supersonic training jet used to prepare fighter pilots. F-117 Nighthawk. The F-117 was the world's first operational stealth aircraft. X-47B. The X-47B is an experimental unmanned carrier-based aircraft. V-22 Osprey. The V-22 combines helicopter vertical takeoff with airplane speed. CH-47 Chinook. The Chinook is a heavy-lift helicopter used for transport and rescue. AH-64 Apache. The AH-64 Apache is one of the deadliest attack helicopters ever built. Equipped with advanced targeting systems, it dominates the battlefield. Together, these aircraft form the backbone of American air power. They represent decades of innovation, strategy, and technological supremacy. As warfare evolves, these machines continue to shape the future of the skies.